Yeah, this one is fine. They want us to take Jim and come on.
Yeah, because
As the guy said, they told us, I have moved everything and back. I said, no,
I don't want to bring that out.
they told us, I moved everything and back. I said, no,
I think which of the
Is the
Big one, eh?
yeah, the big one.
No, nah. It's one. Thank you.
And they
I
say-
get to.
Eh? No, they're still damaged. So we want to see. No, but they're somewhere.
This is one.
How is it?
You do one. This is a real thing.
He said it cost more.
You don't need to talk. Now, yeah,
Yeah, actually, I'm inspired. I'm gonna fix something inspired. Skechers. Skechers. Inspired. Right here in Skechers. PH Mall. Check this out. Skechers PH Mall. Inspired.
And it's playing, bro.
You want to check the upgrade. This is
The upgrade, man. 8 gig RAM.
8 gig RAM.
Mr. Mitch, come and see it, bro. But if it continues slowing down, it's 8 gig now. If it continues slowing down, I recommend you guys changing the Windows.
Open